go.
Hey.
Yo guys, today we're going to be doing some creek fishing.
And pond fishing.
Yeah, we'll probably leave the
Let's
creek.
do it. We'll probably leave in about 5 minutes because we have no faith in ourselves. So, let's live in Sunday. It's not fishing this week, I don't think.
So where are we gonna go? What park? Fish?
Fish on!
So, we abandoned the creek. He thinks he has a fish on, but he doesn't. It's a snag. It's a snag. Do you not see the bubbles? We just found this big wood platform. We're gonna try to fish on it, and we're gonna push it in right now. Okay.
Go over there and see and pull. Matt, get off. Guys, no, we need
Henry,
somebody
you look
to-
retarded right now.
I think we need somebody to get in the water. No.
Well, we do, but we're not going to.
I'll go in the water. No,
Oh,
we're just shoving it into the
There we
ground.
go. There we go. There we go. Now let's push it this way.
How are you gonna get back?
Oh, yeah.
No, get a long stick.
Yes. That's my fault.
No, it's because it's on an angle. It's because that corner is in the ground.
I see life.
I see a little bit of too. Oh no.
Oh, yes.
Now push it. No, get a stick. It's on the ground right now. It's on the ground.
Oh.
It's on the ground.
No, let's push it out farther.
Well, we made this little white trash dock.
AJ, no. AJ, let's flip it out. AJ. AJ! What? You want me to flip it around to get a little bit more length? Where's my document?
No way. Is that camera still going? Yeah.
We're still out here fishing, going for the carp right now.
I'm going for.
We're gonna be multi-species fishing. He's going for bass.
We're gonna try to catch as much species as possible.
What
I
are
don't
you
know
going
what
for?
I'm going for.
What are you going for?
We should go to those islands.
I'm starting with carp.
We're gonna go over on that island.
You'll catch a carp?
No.
So, see you guys, we're just, hey, that's my rod.
No, I casted it out. There wasn't even any corn on it before you came.
We're carp fishing right now. It's a little bit rainy, and yeah. A nice little carp!
Yeah, my rod almost went in the water.
Dude,
Jimmy,
I
I
was
wasn't gonna
awesome.
get it because I had my phone in my.
Grab
It's
it.
not good carp.
Get him!
Let's go, third carp. He had to jump in to get the rod. Let's go! He had to jump in to get it.
Come on!
Yeah! You gotta get it! Yeah!
Let's go! The carp are fucking on now. I worked for that fish. Can I hold on?
Dude,
Let me hold him.
straight up did a cannonball.
I saw the rod moving and I was just like in. Here. No, get her away from the water. Get her away from the water. Get her away. Yeah! Let's go! Alright, no, give me. Start the video.
It's been good. Pick it up. That is so excited.
Yeah. The carp is on! The carp is on!
I just want to catch a carp.
Oh,
Yes!
Get off the line, get
All
off
right,
the line.
let's get it released.
I fucking jumped in for that.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Because you can take a picture in the video.
Thank you, buddy.
All right, let's go in.
Guys, this is awesome.
Let's get it released.
Like 10 minutes. Thanks, buddy.
Yes.
Alright, guys, you guys might want to hold on to your rods.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah, I would hold on.
Yes! So you just caught one. That's a nice one too. Jumped in for it. I jumped in for mine. So I just see my rod going in the water. Just gotta jump in and go get that shit. But that's a nice little 2-pound carp. Let's let this guy go.
Yeah, get it released on him. All right, Matt, come up here. So we just caught some sort of fish. We caught a spotted somehow. Spotted little spot in this.
Well, that's what we think it
thing.
is.
We think it's a spot because it doesn't have the bass lines, but there he goes.
Oh shit!
What?
Oh!
All right, so we're gonna get a little thing. There he goes.
Just caught another one. They all left. Corn is what works for carp. That's what we're using over there. Is that croaking sound that they make? Yep. That's just weird. Let's get this guy unhooked. Here we go. Hope we catch another.